People often ask me, how do you defend somebody that's guilty? I ultimately believe in the Constitution, and my passion is to help people and ensure that justice is being done. And if it was your friend, if it was your family member, if it was a close relative, you would want somebody fighting on their behalf. It's important to hire an experienced criminal defense attorney because you're going to get somebody that knows the criminal justice system. You're going to get a person that will spend the time to take a look at your case, to communicate to you your options concerning the case, and to provide the best defense that they can. Many times as a criminal defense attorney, we don't get the best facts, but we have to do the best we can with the facts that we're given. It's a huge advantage to have been a former prosecutor. And the reason it's an advantage is I know what it's like to be at the other table when the judge is looking over there asking whether or not the prosecution is ready for the case, how their systems work, how they analyze cases, what a person needs to do in order to impress the prosecution. I know from being a former prosecutor what I looked for. I know their training. I've gone to their training. I'm familiar with their training. I know the tactics that they use in the courtroom, and I use that on behalf of my clients. It's important to understand that when I'm hired on a case, my job is to get the best possible disposition short of going to trial. However, if we can't reach a disposition, my job is to fight for my client in a trial. And when we fight a case in a trial, I'm making it as difficult as possible for that prosecutor to try and prove the allegations against my client. When you schedule an appointment with my office, you're going to be meeting with me. I feel it's important for the person to meet with me, for me to get to know them, and for them to get to know me. My clients often thank me, and what they often do is send me referrals from their friends and families and coworkers. That tells me that I did a good job on their felony.